Hi, I'm Chris.
And I am Regina.
And thank you for choosing Badili. Badili is the only platform in Africa that buys your phone in just a snap. From the comfort of your home or office, you can visit our website www.badili.africa, fill in a few details about the condition of your phone, and get the exact price of your phone. We'll then schedule a time and location convenient for you for the pickup.
After you've done your online application on our website, the following will take place. First, a Badili customer care agent will contact you via call and confirm on the scheduled pickup and date. Our technician will visit you at the designated address you provided. Kindly ensure that you have your ID and your phone is at least 50% charged. Also, don't forget to back up your data.
The technician will check your device and verify the information that you had given while placing the order. 3 checks will be done.
Functional check, physical check, accessories check.
If the price changes after the checks, then a clear explanation will be provided to you. For instance, if the battery is not as per the evaluation or the accessories are not as per the website's evaluation, then the offer price might change.
After signing the sales agreement and affidavit, your phone will be collected and you will instantly receive your payment either via M-Pesa or bank transfer, and an invoice will be sent to your email or WhatsApp.
Every device is wiped clean and your data can never be misused.
Thank you for choosing Badili,
where we love the beloved.